Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. I don't recognize the name on the front, but I'm sure all will be clear once we're inside. Thanks so much to whoever sent this. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If this is available, I'm going to link it down in the description so you guys can check it out. I have a feeling that this is like something tells me it's like a prototype, or like there's an order thing coming soon for it. So if it is, I mean, whatever it is, I'll make sure that the website's linked down in the description. Okay, we got a box. We got a little package. We got a little note there. That's good. Excuse me there, guy. So, 1 second. Un momento. Let me open this up here real quick and have a look. All right. Hello. This is Caelum Blade Designs. C-A-E-L-U-M. First knife called the Ari, named after my firstborn son. At Caelum Blade Designs, we believe that the sky is the limit, and we are only limited by our imagination. Okay. Let me go ahead and give you guys his information so that you have it and can check out his Instagram, etc. I will make sure that his website is linked if he has a website. If not, then it'll just be this stuff right here. Oh, he does, because it's the first one. Pay attention to what you're reading. All right. So, the Ari. Let's take a look and see what we've got. I do not know who the OEM is. Here's the box. Okay. Alrighty, we got a little thing here. There you go. Take a look there if you want to do that. And we got a little zipper pouch. What do we got? What do we got? We got another, is this like a sticker or something? Okay. Ooh, okay. It's a big boy. We got some of this copper layered. It's like a, you could say it's like a carbon fiber and copper Damascus or weave or whatever you want to call that. Excuse me, we have, this looks right off the bat like it's going to be very easy to manipulate. Yeah, it's super easy to manipulate with the little hole there, the little activation slot. Front flipper also works beautifully. I do like that this, maybe it's just me, but I feel like the ratio of not huge knives, right? Not comically huge knives that some people try and force, into a roll. But I feel like the ratio of like full size or large knives to small knives is it's pretty low, right? I feel like I review like 2 or 3, maybe 3 or 4 small knives to every full size knife. So it's nice to get something that actually feels full size. As somebody who does like, right, I just enjoy full size knives a little bit better. This little slot here is placed perfectly. It's a little bit sharp. Why is that? What edge did I just run up against that felt? That's my imagination. Am I shaving my fingernail? No, not really. It's my imagination. I was going to say, it looks like it's chamfered in there. I like this because this covers the frame lock, or this part of it. I honestly think that this would do better to cover this entire line. I think that line looks a little bit weird. They got the relief cut on the inside, but I think that this covering it would look a little bit better. I think it would do the aesthetic a little bit better, and then you could drop this here. Obviously, you'd have to have more of that material, right? This is all, this is all tumbled titanium. Definitely. Yeah. I do like this, and there's a lot of different things that you can do, of course, with this overlay or inlay. I think it's actually risen above there, but it might be that it's slightly set into the titanium. The inside of the titanium is also, where's my flashlight? Flashlight's just gone today, huh? Well, let's take a look here. The inside is milled out for weight reduction, which is nice. This feels big without being like, hulky. That slot, it's so funny how we try to, like, so many companies put this area too high up, but like where it's naturally going to fall in your hand is actually more towards the middle of the blade, and it works perfectly. The action's very good. Like I said, I don't know who the OEM is. Behind the edge, which by the way, looks like hand rub satin flats. Very nice. I mean, if you're going to go with a machine belt satin finish, really nice. Screaming sharp edge. Hold on. Yeah. That's really ready to bite into material. It's just paper. It doesn't prove anything, right? But just letting you know, the factory edge on this thing is wild. Milled clip. We have standoff construction, but milled titanium pocket clip. A little bit pointy at the end. A little bit. Maybe that end of that could be knocked down just slightly. But yeah, overall, it looks like we've got, these look like T8 heads to me, and these are as well. We have a filler tab construction, so you can flip that over to the other side. And honestly, lefties, I can manipulate this left-handed just fine. In fact, can I do it? I don't know. Let's try it with this hand. I feel like I can. Yeah, I can manipulate that front flipper with my index finger. Yeah, this is cool. I like it. I just want this line. I don't know why. I just want this line covered. I'm going to guess that that's M390. I don't see any information that says what the blade steel is. It's just my guess. I mean, it's like going with C on multiple choice if you don't know, right? But this is cool. The overall look and feel is great, and we have nice access to the lock bar. The blade is good, and I mean, again, seriously, that edge is very bitey. It's not that it's like mega thin. It's reasonably thin behind the edge, but the edge is just, you know, it's like it's got little teeth on it. Not really. It's just, I can feel the fibers of dead skin popping off of my thumb, you know, as you kind of drag over there. But anyways, I don't know that there's a whole lot more I can say here. I'll spend some time with this knife and give you guys a full comprehensive review here in maybe some like 2 to 3 weeks, something like that. Again, I will link any and all information down in the description so that you guys can check it out. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. And leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.